know a young boy drowned here? He wasn't a very good swimmer. The counselors weren't paying attention.
Oh my God.
He should have been watched every minute.
Oh God.
You see, he was my son. His name was Jason.